Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our brand new rice cookers, okay? This is going to be a commercial 30-cup rice cooker. Commercial 30-cup rice cooker. Okay, so let's go ahead and begin with the front of the unit. This is where you have your controls. On the side of the unit, we have a plug. It is a standard US plug. Runs on 110 volt. Okay, now we have our lid. We have also an instruction manual booklet that will be provided. So if you have any questions or don't know how to use the rice cooker, all the information is going to be on here. You also will be provided with a cup and a spoon for this rice cooker. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and measure the bowl for you. For the bowl, you're looking at about 15.5 inches by 6 inches. Okay, so 15.5 inches by 6 inches. Also, you can take this top piece off. Okay, so you can take that top piece off as well. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you the bottom of the rice cooker where you can locate the sticker with all specs, all the information on the rice cooker, as well as certification. This rice cooker is certified by the health department. So you can locate all the information on the bottom sticker. Okay, so very simple unit, 30-cup rice cooker, commercial use. If you're interested in one of these rice cookers, go on our website, coolerdepotusa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact one. If you have any other questions regarding this rice cooker, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.